Guys, it's Dorian Yates.
To the city centre where the gym is, and there was a big snowstorm. Actually, there was no cars on the road, so there's no cars, there's no buses, there's no transport. I trudged through that snow up past my knees to the gym. It took me about an hour and a half to get to the gym from like.
I don't even know if y'all could see this.
20 minutes to walk or something.
Oh, he's gone back inside, guys. We got Dorian Yates. He's trudging through the snow up to his knees. Inspirational.
No, we got invited out here.
Oh yeah, we got invited. They're getting us a free pass.
Yeah, we can't disclose the name though.
No, we can't. They begged us to come to promote the gym.
Yeah, so.
But we're not gonna share the name because we don't want to.
I can show you guys. Like, see here. I don't know if that's picking up.
They contacted us. They reached out to us, this gym,
talking about some free day passes.
And they were like, "We want you to come test out our gym. We're thinking about opening up. You know, we got a few other important people that are gonna be trying it out too." Trying it out, and we want you guys to be there as well. Also, so it's just going to be us and a few other random people we don't know in there.
And we're at a health shop. There's a health shop right next to it. They said they're going to give us some free energy drinks or something like that. So that's lit.
We're moving up in the world.
Yeah, we got crazy. We have Young LA. I think Young LA is on our belts right now.
That.
We don't really.
I never heard about that.
Well, I denied them the other day. So.
Okay.
Gymshark was. I think they emailed us on our geneticoutliers@gmail.com. They emailed us. Talking about they want to see a 50% of.
I didn't even really read it.
Yeah, it was like.
I had ChatGPT paraphrase it, and then I didn't want to read that.
I was like, come on, give me 90, and then we're good. So yeah, we turned those down. We're about to go accept this one. We have 2 sponsorships that were 2 deals. Just we're gonna promote them slightly, get a pump in. Back day, you already know.
All right, so we've arrived, but the music they're playing in here is like, it's insanely loud. Like, if we try and like provide any dialogue, the mics are only probably gonna pick up the music. It is like deafeningly loud. So I think we're just gonna throw some music over this and not do any dialogue at all.
I don't know where we're gonna show the pump at, but
they got a good bathroom. I've seen it.
It's a single use, bro.
I don't think so. We'll figure it out. I've seen they have a bathroom in here. We can show the pump, and then we'll maybe add some dialogue in there.
They know that we're here on because they begged us to come here.
Oh, that's true. They know we're the celebrities that they heard about or something like that. I guess this is what everyone keeps.
Guys, I guess this is what happens when you're a celebrity.
The camera.
This is what happens when you're a celebrity, guys. So
they start looking at you. It's like every 30 seconds.
All right, we're gonna get into it.
Yeah, we're gonna jump right into it and not waste any time.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're